The Hill State People's Democratic Party (Hspdp) on Wednesday said its meeting with the Director of Atomic Mineral Division (AMD) Northeast Region revealed that the centre has no plans to explore uranium deposits in Meghalaya. Hspdp President K.P. Pangyang said that the party met the AMD officer to find out the reality after Union Minister Jitendra Singh stated that the centre has not abandoned the idea of mining uranium from Domyasyat Mautaba area in southwest Khasi Hills. Pangyang pointed out that the atomic body was committed not in pursuing the radioactive element in Meghalaya unless the local people gives approval to it.
Now they stand committed strongly that there is no further attempt to mine uranium in our state. That is their, statement from the AMD director. No mining of uranium in the state of Meghalaya has been, in the part and parcel program of the party manifesto. To protest, and we will not allow to mine uranium in our state.
The Joy Municipal Board, in collaboration